Protect pipes, conserve energy, and prevent harmful condensation buildup with self-sealing, easy-to-install Insul-Lock pipe insulation from K-Flex. K-Flex Insul-Lock is a foam insulation that keeps pipes from freezing and bursting, even in extreme temperatures. With an operating range from -40 degrees to 220 degrees Fahrenheit, Insul-Lock is ideal for commercial or residential heat gain prevention applications like refrigerant, cold water plumbing, or chilled water lines, as well as heat loss prevention applications like hot water plumbing, liquid heating, and solar thermal piping. K-Flex Insul-Lock also features built-in UV protection, low thermal conductivity, and a high resistance to moisture intrusion, making it a great choice for outdoor and underground pipe installation. Available in 6-foot rolls in thicknesses ranging from 3/8 of an inch to 2 inches, K-Flex Insul-Lock is a breeze to install on any pipe. Just slip the flexible pre-slit tube on the pipe, pull the built-in release liner, pinch the tube shut, and apply pressure at the seams to activate the factory-applied adhesive. Get more info about K-Flex Insul-Lock here, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product tips, tutorials, and trade-related content.